back to my kitchen. Guys, today I'm gonna be making party barbecue chicken wings. Okay, so today I'm having a little bit of celebration, and I thought I should film this video showing you how I make my barbecue chicken wings. Okay guys, so let's get this started. Okay, so over here guys, I have my chicken which I've marinated overnight, using all the spice and herb that I like. I use ginger, I use garlic, I use salt, I use a little bit of curry, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and also a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Okay, that's the seasoning I use to marinate the chicken, and I did that overnight. Okay guys, this is the chicken which I have marinated. Okay, so I just brought it out from the freezer. As you can see, smells so good guys, with the onion in it and everything I used to marinate it. It smells so good. Okay guys, all right, so guys, you get a pan like this one. I double it up because it's quite a lot of chicken. Okay, so yeah, let me push that away. So you get a little pan like so, and guys, you get your tongue or whatever you're gonna use and just start placing it in the pan. Okay, this pan is the non-stick one. Okay, so if you get the regular pan, you have to spray the bottom of the pan. Okay, so put all of your chicken in it. Put a little space in between each of the chicken. Do not overcrowd the chicken so that they don't stick together. Okay, so you continue to do this, and you put it into the oven at 350 degrees for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, you put it in there for 10 to 12 minutes. You bring it out, and I will show you the next step. So guys, this is the chicken all spaced out like so. So guys, I'm gonna put it on in the oven now. Okay, bake, and the time 350 degrees, cooking time 12 minutes. Okay, and you press start. Okay guys, so since it started now, gonna open the oven like so. Put them in the oven. Okay, so the big one goes in the oven, and we're gonna shut the oven now. So guys, after 12 minutes, I am going to bring it out. Then we can put the barbecue sauce we're gonna use on it. Okay guys, I left the chicken. These are all of the chicken I'm gonna be cooking. So I left it in the oven for 40 minutes because what I noticed that the chicken was a little hard. Okay, so initially I thought I was going to leave it for like 12-15 minutes, but the chicken was so hard, and the frozen a lot of ice was still in it, so I left it for 40 minutes. So if you are using frozen chicken, please let it cook for a little bit more time. Okay, but if it's fresh chicken, I think 12-15 minutes should be right for it. Okay, so it depends on the chicken you are using. Okay, so this is all of the chicken, you know. So I'm gonna be using barbecue sauce. This is the one I'm using. This one is sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, okay, and it's by the brand Sweet Bay, Sweet Baby Ray's, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Okay, so I'm just going to use the barbecue sauce and glaze it all over the barbecue, the chicken. Just glaze it and put it back in the oven for maybe another 30 minutes, and with that the chicken will be ready, you know, to eat. Okay, because the chicken is already cooked, so you just want the glazing and the barbecue sauce to, you know, go into the chicken at this point. Okay, so let's go ahead now and glaze the chicken, then put it back into the oven. So guys, using the barbecue sauce, please make sure you shake very well your barbecue sauce. You open it like so, then you pour it in. So I'm just gonna pour it in into all of them. Okay. Right guys, then mix. So guys, mix it up like so. Make sure all of the chicken is coated in the barbecue sauce. You do the same for this one. You see, make sure you have enough barbecue sauce all over your chicken. Okay guys, so after you cook the chicken and the chicken is well cooked, you drain out all of the juice, all of the chicken stock. You can keep it if you like to use it later on to cook something else like jollof rice, or you know, any of your other kind of meal. Okay, so you mix it very well, then you put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes. So guys, this is what it looks like. It has gone back into the oven for another at least 30 minutes. Okay, so keep watching it just to make sure all of the barbecue gets into the chicken. Okay, and it starts to darken up. Okay, then you bring it out of the oven. So guys, this is what you want. This is what the barbecue chicken look like. Okay guys, so this one was a little bit, you know, burnt at the side because I got so busy and I almost forgot it in the oven. Okay guys, so this is what they look like. Aren't they pretty? This one is the main one. Very, very pretty guys. Okay, so it's quite easy to make, not so difficult at all. Very delicious, very, very yummy, 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 yummy. So if you like guys, you can take additional barbecue sauce and additional barbecue sauce. Okay, you can just slather it on it, okay, just to make it more juicy and more yummy, 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 yummy. Okay guys, so guys, this is the final product. I just moved it into a fresh pan that I will be taking for the party. Okay, So this is what it came out to look like. Okay guys, very easy and very simple to do. Okay, so that is it guys. A few got burnt, but just about 2 pieces. This is the burnt pan. Just about 2 pieces of chicken got burnt on the side. Okay, so guys, don't be afraid to give this a try. Don't be afraid to give it a try. Okay, so I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.